these were just very few clips and the things a transgender in India has to go to even if they wish to do something good for the society. नमस्कार, मैं हूँ रेशम और आप देख रहे हैं DNP India. So what does it actually means to be a trans in India? जहाँ अभी भी in 2021 they are not considered equal and treated in a bad manner, even in today's time they either become a subject of hate or abuse. So in today's segment मैं आपको एक पुणे ट्रांस एक्टिविस्ट के बारे में बताने वाली हूँ. ऋषिकेश राउत, also called Rishi, a 22-year-old non-binary trans person who uses they or them pronouns recently who became the target of an onslaught of online transphobic abuse. जी हाँ, जहाँ पहले मार्च की बात करते हैं जब ऋषि स्टार्टेड अ फंड रेजर ऑनलाइन ऑन द पॉपुलर क्राउड फंडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म जिसका नाम है केटो टू रेज मनी फॉर देयर जेंडर अफर्मिंग सर्जरी, एंड जहाँ पीपल हु एक्सपेक्ट दैट इट इज़ अ फंड रेजर एंड मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर फिल्ड विद सिंपैथी एंड अफर्मेशन, बट इस केस में ऐसा नहीं था. जहाँ ऋषि के फंड रेजर को कुछ डोनेशन ज़रूर मिली बट साथ साथ अ लॉट ऑफ हेट कमेंट्स एज बैकलैश भी मिले. बट येस, during the time they were just very few, so Rishi just ignored them. And then our country was hit by the second wave, which obviously led to a drying up of funds, and a medical emergency was seen in the country unlike one has ever seen before, causing Rishi to temporarily close the fundraiser. But yes, on the contrary, Rishi started two separate campaigns to raise funds for trans people in Silchar and Pune during the second wave. फिर जैसे कोविड के केसेस थोड़े कम होने लगे, लॉकडाउन रिस्ट्रिक्शंस ईज होने लगी, एंड एज जून इज ऑब्वियसली सेलिब्रेटेड एज द प्राइड मंथ ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, ऋषि रीस्टार्टेड द फंड रेजर. बट हाँ, दिस टाइम द कमेंट्स वर नॉट फ्यू, और वो इसलिए ऐसा भी हुआ बिकॉज दिस टाइम ऋषि की कैंपेन वॉज पिक्ड अप बाय सम इंडियन इन्फ्लुएंसर्स एंड दे फर्दर शेयर्ड इट ऑन देयर पेजेस. सो मोर सपोर्ट लेड टू मोर ट्रोलिंग ऑन द अदर हैंड, एंड एम्पलीफिकेशन से ज़्यादा हेट ज़्यादा फेस करनी पड़ी उन्हें. एंड सम ऑफ द ट्रोल्स एंड कमेंट्स ऑल्सो सेड दिस इज़ नॉट अ रियल थिंग, शुड डोनेट टू समथिंग important, this is a waste of money, it's a scam. And not just this, with the transphobia also came casteism, as Rishi is a Bahujan, so a lot of the comments were laced with casteist slurs. And that was not all, even received death threats, asked to end life, on how Rishi was a burden to the parents and whatnot. Jada the hate comments also emphasized just that if Rishi didn't have the money, Rishi didn't deserve the luxury of transitioning. For the trolls, their gender affirmation surgery was not essential enough to be a cause. So as a queer activist, Rishi has been working with the MIST and LGBTQI+ collective in Pune for 5 years now. And once they started positioning the screenshots of hate, Rishi got a wave of support from people who donated to their cause, advised them to ignore the hate comments and never give up the good fight. And we totally agree with that. जहाँ अभी तक ऋषि's fundraiser has raised about 2,69,000, जहाँ the total goal is 7 lakh, it's actually some relief to see that there is some good left as well, and people on the other side are also supporting them and further understand their problems to the core. Men, women, trans women or trans men, all are equal, and nobody deserves this and this kind of hate. So stay safe and be good. And if you like today's segment, then please do like, share and subscribe to DNP India. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and keep watching DNP India.